we are here to celebrate the 30th anniversary of SOLIDWORKS.
For the past 3 decades, SOLIDWORKS has been an inspiration for designers and engineers around the world.
It has driven innovation and transformed complex ideas into reality with ease. We are proud to be part of the journey and believe that SOLIDWORKS will continue to inspire new creations in the future.
Congratulations to SOLIDWORKS on its 30th anniversary. We look forward to working together into a future full of innovation.
Happy